Hello, in this video I would like to talk about a new feature in Xcelsius SP3 which allows you to dynamically bind colors. This is a great new feature because it gives you total flexibility during runtime on customizing your coloring scheme. You can dynamically bind colors to any part of an object that allows the color to be changed. This is very useful if you want to set special alerts to catch a person's eye and allows developers to be creative, for example, changing colors of backgrounds, borders, labels, titles, and more. So if we look at a stack bar chart, you can see that we can bind colors to the text, and we can bind colors to different parts of the graph. For example, there's your background color, your axes colors, and if your legend and plot area are on, you can also customize the coloring of those as well. Now I'll show you two really good examples where dynamically binding colors can come in play. For our first example, we have multiple charts on a dashboard that represent different types of metrics. Since there are so many charts, it is a bit hard to spot problem areas right away. Let's say there are some key events that would cause us to look at one of the charts immediately. We can color the background red so that whoever is looking at the dashboard will see that, oh, there's something wrong right away, and go check out the chart right away. Let's set the special alert for the top left chart, which keeps track of monthly expenses, and I've already set up the spreadsheet on the bottom, which is quite simple. It just has your months and your expense values, and the background color will change depending on if any of your monthly expenses surpass a certain threshold, which is, in this case, 15,000. So let's change February's expense value to 20,000. And you see the background color turned red. Let's change it back. Okay, now let's bind the monthly expenses background color to cell E2. Now let's test out that alerting mechanism again. So let's change June to 16,000. And right away it alerts us that something's bad because June has passed the maximum allowable threshold. Okay, now in our second example, we want to be able to color a chart series different colors depending on what situation you're in. So let's put out a random chart and let's have a selector that can select from either revenue or expense. And depending on revenue or expenses, we want to set the series color appropriately. So in this case, we'll set the series colors to be green on revenue and yellow on expenses. Oh. Let's just put this as default. Okay, now let's set the dynamic binding color of our series. Actually, I'll need to put something in there, otherwise there won't be default series. We'll set both the line and the fill to the same color. So it will be cell D1, and same as the fill, D1. Okay, now let's test this out. So at revenue it's green, and expenses it's yellow. There we go. If you would like to share any of your ideas or examples on using dynamic binding colors, please post on the comment section of my video or blog article. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and blog for more Xcelsius related material. Bye for now.